Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML element and the body element. HTML page will validate without the HTML and the body element tags. But in this example, you should notice we have our doc type HTML. After that, immediately we have our head tag. Inside the head tag, we are having our title. Then after the head tag again, head closing tag, we are having our H1 and P tag. However, we strongly recommend to always add the HTML tag and the body tags. Omitting body can produce errors in other browsers, while omitting HTML and body can also crash DOM and XML software. So be very careful with that. Always use your HTML element tag and also the body tag. Let me show you how it looks in our document. As you can see, immediately after our doc type HTML, we are having our HTML. Inside our HTML tag, we are having our body tag. Inside the body tag is where you are going to put your articles or context that you want to display. So I think it's enough. Until the next, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.